So now let's see how we can work around with custom data formats inside of Google Sheets. So here you can see that I got a bunch of data, and here the currency is by default in dollar format. And this is something that you might not want, and you might want to change the currency. So in that case, you can go around into, let's say for example, onto format, onto number, or you can go around and access the same menu from over here by clicking on this 1, 2, 3 icon right here. And then you can go to more format, and here you can choose more currency. So let's say instead of US dollar, you want something else like, let's say, Cambodian real. Right here, you can click on it and press apply, and you can see that it has changed into real right here. Similarly, you can go around over here, and let's say you do not find the currency that you're looking for, then you can make your own currency as well. So I'm going to go around over here. I'm going to go to more format and more currencies. So you want to add in your own currency right there. Then you can go around right here. Let me just go around. And let's say I'm going to type in my own currency. So I'm going to say something like SAR right here, space, and this is how it'll show up. Press apply, and now there you go. There's a new currency that I made, and then there you go. It says SAR after SAR before the numbers that you entered right there. Another thing that you can do is work around with date and time as well. So I'm going to say something like 12/12/2021, just like this. So this is the date. And if you want to work around with the date formats, then you can go around into the option right here. So format, number, and you can go around and then go to more formats right here, more date and time formats. So once you click on this, what happens is that you got the different formats. As you can see, you can choose the format you like and press apply, and that is how it is applied out. Another thing that you can do is you can go around over here onto the format right here, go to more format, more date and time right here, and you can also remove out the things that you don't want. Let's say you don't want the hour, minute, and second, so simply erase it out, press backspace right here, and that is how it works. You can click here and you can go for 2-digit year or full number year. So simply click, and there's different sort of things as you can see. So you can go for full day right here, just like this. So let's say I do not want this. I want the day in, let's say for example, as in abbreviation. So Tuesday, August, year, and so forth. So this is what I want. Press apply, and this is how it actually displays out, as you can see. And that is how you can work around with the custom data format. And there's other custom data formats over here as well. So you can go around, there's more format, custom number formats as well, as you can see. So different types of numbers that you can work with. So there's like decimal points right here and so forth. So let's say I want to work around with this. I'm going to go around over here, more number format, custom number format. And over here, let's say I'm going to go around with this one and press apply. And that is how it actually displays out. You can go to more format, custom number format, select out the other one right here. Let's say, for example, this one, sample, those are the samples that actually present out, and then that is how it is applied. And that is how you can work around with custom data format inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.